what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Some people are not mean, so be kind all the time. What was this? I don't even know. So yeah, I totally took like an unofficial week off. I wasn't planning on doing that. It's just that I went back to work and I was just busy with other stuff, so I didn't have a chance to really shoot a video. I actually did shoot a video and I absolutely hated the way it came out, so I wasn't going to post something just to post it. I mean, I ramble anyway, but like I really felt like I was just kind of going all over the place. So I'm actually shooting this video right after I got home from work. I literally got home from work probably like less than a half an hour ago, and I figured I would actually shoot it with how my makeup looks from when I get home and how I actually like do my makeup for work. Yes, my eyes are bright. I'm allowed to wear a bright eyeshadow at work. Right now we're still doing just like kind of, we're not officially opened yet. I'm just like working in the office, so it is a little brighter. When we go back, I'll probably tone it down a little bit, but my face makeup is a lot lighter than it normally is because we have to wear the mask now. I really don't wear foundation and stuff just because it transfers too much. Even if you put the right powders on, I just find that there's no real way to keep the foundation from eventually transferring, especially because I'll be having the mask on for hours at a time now. So I just kind of wear a like dewy primer, and I put some concealer under my eyes and put some blush and bronzer on and call it a day. A little bit of highlight, but this is actually how it looks. I didn't do anything to it. This is literally what it looks like now. So if I look a little funky, that's why, but I figured this way you can kind of see. My eyes stayed pretty good. I mean, I had a little bit of allergy bothering me, so it probably smeared a little bit, but this look will actually be posted on my Instagram before, like, you know, I went to work and stuff. So if you're curious to see what it looks like, you can see it. I really liked it. I used the Urban Decay Stoned palette. Is actually like the shimmery colors. And then the other two blues are from Deck of Scarlet and Peachy Queen Spirit Board, which I will have listed below. So for this video, I'm going to just be showing you what I got in my Boxycharm and my Birchbox this month. I got my Boxycharm really late, which was kind of weird, but that's okay. I didn't watch any videos really on like what people got because I don't want to know too much. I kind of know. I mean, you always kind of know. So anyway, I got the Boxy Luxe this month because I do Boxycharm and then I just do Boxy Luxe. I don't do Boxy Premium, just Boxy Luxe. So I did open it up already, and there's a receipt in here from the store that I just managed to throw in there. So the first thing I got, I actually opened it up and I've used it already, is the weighted sleep mask. I actually requested this when they do like the choice, the options or whatever, because I sleep actually with a sleep mask on because I like, it makes me feel secure. This way, like my eyes are kind of covered, it kind of keeps out the light, and it makes me feel secure. And I have a lot of issues with migraines and sinus problems and headaches. So I was really curious to see if the weighted eye mask will be helpful. I actually sleep with a weighted blanket and I mean, I don't know how I was sleeping with that one before. It's so amazing. This is interesting. I have used it for 2 nights in a row. My sinuses have been bothering me, which, I mean, big surprise. I feel like every week I say that on a video. So I don't know if it really helps. It's very, as you can see, it's very bulky. So I don't just sleep on my back, like I sleep on my side or on my stomach. So like kind of having this on and like putting it on the side, it's a little bulky. It has a nice strap in the back, like where you can adjust it to be too tight, I mean tight or looser or whatever, and I don't mind it. I don't know if it's as awesome as I thought it was going to be because it is really bulky. That's my only complaint. I don't mind the weight because the weight actually doesn't bother me when it's on. It's the bulkiness of it. So as of right now, I'm still going to try and use it, but I'm not sure if I might just delegate this to not sleeping every night with this and just when I have headaches. I haven't had like a super migraine, so this will be interesting to see how the weight feels with the migraine. Sometimes I usually use like heated eye masks with that, so we'll see. But I mean, I wouldn't have bought this myself, so I was really psyched to get this in my Boxycharm box. And then the next thing I got was the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, which is awesome because I use hand cream like crazy. Especially in the winter, my hands get a little dry because I'm constantly working in an office, so I'm constantly touching papers and stuff. I mean, I work in a dance studio, but I work in the office part of the dance studio, so my hands are always dry, so I was super happy to get this. Then I also got the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with acerola cherry. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. But this seems really nice. I like eye creams and stuff. They're one of those things that I get so many samples of them that I like never think to buy them. So I'm pretty psyched about this, and it kind of looks like it'll be nice. This is what it looks like. It doesn't really smell like anything, but that's what it looks like. I was expecting it to smell kind of like cherries, but I guess because it's an eye cream, it doesn't. But it looks nice. Then I got from Persona Cosmetics, I got a lip gloss, a honey lip gloss. It's a season 1 lip gloss in the color honey. I'm sorry. Totally, like, I don't even know what I said. The only thing I've actually opened up and used was the eye masks. So that's what this looks like. Looks like it might have a slight shimmer to it. Give it a little go on the back of the hand here. Oh, I think that will be pretty. I know I don't have anything from Persona. I don't think I've gotten any samples from them before. Then I got this pure brush set in this really nice container. I think it's an essentials. Yeah. So it has like a whole bunch of different brushes, and they're really pretty pink colors, so that's kind of exciting. I have a lot of brushes, but like, it's good because when you wash them and stuff or whatever, but these look really nice. I like this container. I feel like you could use this for other stuff too than my brushes. Then I got the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. This feels pretty heavy too. Oh, okay. So there's 5 in here. That's why it's heavy. I'm an idiot. I was thinking it was like one heavy thing, and I'm like, what's going on? But it actually says 5 on the bottom. Maybe I should read the box. So I'm excited about that. I love facial masks. Like, I think that they're fun. I like that it's rose gold because I'm a dork, and I like rose gold, one of my favorite colors. Do you guys like using facial masks like the sheet mask, or do you prefer using like masks that you wash off or peel off? I'm not crazy about peel off masks because I don't have sensitive skin, but for some reason they just like stick like crazy, and I feel like they make they just stick to my face, and they're not comforting to take off. They hurt and they leave a little bit of a red mark, and it doesn't matter like what brand it is. So I'm not like in love with peel masks, but I don't mind cream masks that you wash off, and I love sheet masks because they are just like really easy and nice. I know some people don't think they're great for the environment, so that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. The next thing I got was from Fenty Beauty, and it is their Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter, and I got it in the color Penny for Your Thoughts. And it looks like this. This looks like it'll be more of a bronzer for me than a highlighter. Oh, definitely. I could probably totally rock that as a bronzer, though. That's a nice color. The only other thing from Fenty I have eyeliner. Yeah, I don't have anything else that I really like. Her 24/7, that's Urban Decay. Her gel pen eyeliners. I like them. I think they work really nice and they go on very smoothly. Then the final thing I got was from Eloise Cosmetics, and I got the Queen palette. And this one looks really, really cool. I love the way this artwork on here is absolutely gorgeous. I don't have anything from Eloise Beauty before, so this is exciting. And this is what the palette looks like. That is totally awesome. I love the bright colors. I definitely can use this. I'm excited for this palette. It says it has 20 pigments in 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. So I'm really excited to try this. I will definitely do a look using this palette in the future. It's going to be interesting because I really have to figure out how to do my schedule now that I'll be going back to work pretty much full time starting in October, which is really awesome. I know I'm really lucky because, you know, not everyone gets to do that, and I'm just so psyched to be able to say that I'm going back to work. But it's going to be a different with my schedule. It's definitely, I'm going to have to figure out how to get a shooting schedule and an editing schedule that works with my work schedule. And then I also do other things besides go to work. Like, you know, I do some writing and things like that. So it's going to be fun trying to figure out my my schedule. I feel like I've said my schedule like 400 times. If you took a shot, you'd probably be drunk. So then the next thing I got was my Birchbox, which I enjoy. And I love this little box. It's like a little tassel when you pull it out. And it's cool because they got, it's a bingo in here. So you can mark off all the stuff you've done for Birchbox, which I actually have done a lot of. So I'm going to do that. And I actually am going to take a picture and enter it because why not? That's fun. So this box was a lot of fun. I got a few things in it. The first thing I got was from, I think this is how you say it, Pie Cosmetics. It's Love and Height Hydrating Moisturizing Cream. So it's so tiny, but it's so cute. Then I got a Malin and Goat's Grapefruit Face Cleanser. Then I got a Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. And then I got this, I think this is a lipstick from, or lip gloss from, or balm from Arrow. I believe this was the item I picked. Then I got from Sunday Riley, I got Sulfur Acne Treatment Mask. And I got from Oribe, Blonde Shampoo, which is awesome because I do dye my hair. My roots need to be done so bad. I've had supposed to be like doing my roots for like 3 weeks and I haven't done them. And then the final thing I got is a Bare Minerals foundation, which I'm actually excited to try because I think I've used Bare Minerals like years and years ago, like their powder foundation, but I haven't used it in a while. So that'll be interesting to try. So those are my Birchbox and Boxycharm boxes this month. As always, I'm not disappointed. I'm cool with them. They're awesome. I'm looking forward to trying everything that's in it. If you guys get these boxes, please let me know what you got, if you liked what you got, if you didn't like what you got, if you're really psyched about what you got, all that fun stuff. Just let me know in the comments below. I'm always psyched to like try and, you know, talk with people and have conversations. I try and get back to people in a timely manner. I know I can't always do it the day of, especially now being back to work, but I do try and respond to all comments because I like talking to you people. So yeah, you guys are awesome. I'm thinking of making like a name for my family. I mean, it's very small right now, but it's cool because it's growing and I just thought it'd be kind of fun. My friend Jess over at Just Her Average Jess is building her average army. So I was like, oh, I was just thinking about that. And like, I love the word cupcake, but I also love like celestial things. So I think it's going to be my celestial cupcakes. I know it's really stupid, but of course I'd pick something that's kind of weird like that. But so if you like this video and you'd like to become a member of my Celestial Cupcake Squad, please feel free to give this video a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I know I talk and I ramble and I'm not cool. So thank you anyway just for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really appreciate it. I'll also send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. Thank you so much. As always, I will list everything that I am wearing on my face as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film as well as pictures of my pets and I think they are adorable. But of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies. So, oh well. So anyway, friend one, makeup lover to another. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!